Okay, last question. So number 8 says, the title of this selection emphasizes the idea that. So because it says the title, I know that my location is going to be looking at the title of this article. And then what is it emphasizing? So what is it trying to tell me or show me? So if you go back and look at the title of this selection, it's called Classrooms of the Future. So I'm thinking about like maybe what classrooms will look like in the future. So we can go ahead and read the answer choices and see if any of those answers match our thoughts. So A says all classrooms should be virtual in the future. Did the title push the idea that classrooms should be virtual? Did it say anything about online or face-to-face school in the title? B says students learn best in online classrooms. Again, did the title suggest that online classes were good or bad? C says classrooms may look different in the future. So it does say classrooms of the future in the title. So it didn't tell us how it will look, but it is telling us that the classrooms in the future could be different. D says future education opportunities will be limited. Again, these are very specific answer choices, and you have to think like the title, Classrooms of the Future. Is it giving me that much information that it's telling me education opportunities are limited? So think about which one of these best describes and emphasizes an idea in the title and answer the question on your spreadsheet.